What's up guys, welcome to this new video, and in this video I'm going to show you just need to enter some data and you can earn up to hundreds of dollars from this website. Okay, the website link is in the description box, and just follow along with this video so that you can able to earn hundreds of dollars per day. Yes, per day you can earn up to this. Okay, so it's very simple guys, and just I want support from you guys. Just like and subscribe this channel so that you get to know more about how to earn money online. Okay, it's really simple. Just go into the description box and you can find out the link of this video. Okay, so I'm just in this website. You just need to scroll down. We just complete whole the process. Just watch till the end. I'm just going you how you can earn online, and you are looking, scroll down and you can look that we just need to click on this start working. Just click on this video, this button. Okay, and you can see there are different ways that you can earn up money. Okay, for a typing job you can earn up to $4 to $6 per page. Okay, and earn up to $5 to $10 by proofreading. Okay, paid surveys $5 to $50 per survey. It's amazing guys. Okay, graphic designers, PowerPoint presentation, and lot. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn through the spreadsheets that I guaranteed you. Okay, the Excel sheets. Okay, you just need to click on this icon. Okay, and you can see that 0.2 to $0.54 per cell. So don't worry if you don't know anything about. I just guide you and make you understand that what type of work you can do. Okay, I show my work as well, what type of earning do I get. Okay, so just click on this icon and you can see that you are in this page. Just you can read this documentation to understand this thing better. Okay, just scroll down and you can see that it is application procedure. So you need to first apply here. Okay, just need to fill the application form. So I'm just click on this link. Okay, so it will open a new link in front of you. Just scroll down and you can see that submit a job application. Just click on this, another icon is open. Okay, for filling the application. Okay, just scroll down and you can see that apply now. Okay, so this is your application form. You can see that guys, this is your application form. Just try to fill it. Okay, I just try to fill it. Okay, just enter your username. Okay, and try to make it 123 because your name might be might not be might be registered. Okay, so guys, there is an important notice in this, that select your notice period. So as as you are come new to this website, so I just do recommend you to your notice period should be immediate. Okay, that whatever work you are getting, you just try to do it immediately. Okay, I just recommend you to fill this immediate, because guys, you are just new to this and you are always there to earn, not only earn money, you are always there to available for doing your work. Okay, so your first name, just put it your first name. Okay, and just try to enter. So in this you need to enter the Excel sheet freelancer. Okay, and the country, your country United States. You can see United States, just enter it. The age that you can enter. Okay, just the current status as a, I just do recommend you to be a freelancer. Okay, okay, so email ID, just you put email ID. Okay, and just enter the password. Okay, and just confirm the password. Okay, and your mobile number, what it is, just click on this. And guys, in this box I just gave you a paragraph that you need to enter. Just enter it. Okay, so guys, you need to write, hi, my name is whatever your name is. So I just write my name. Okay, so I would like to apply for whatever your designation. Okay, whatever your designation, whatever work you are doing. Okay, just type it, Excel sheet freelancer. Okay, just you need to write this, and wish to be accepted as soon as possible. Okay, just guys write it. I just do recommend you to write this. Okay, so all jobs would be done on time with extreme accuracy. Okay, just type it down. Just you need to just write your name here and whatever your designation. So in this website I show you the Excel sheet freelancing work. So I just write down my designation and wish to be accepted as soon as possible. All the jobs will be done on time with extreme accuracy. Guys, this line is very important because your delivery should be in time, because customer will pay you. How he will pay you? He will pay you on the basis of, delivery on time. Okay, just do recommend this. Just type your gender and just click on this registration link. Okay, just register, click here to register, and it will take some few time, and you can see that it is your just click on this. Just guys, you just need to click on this button. Okay, just need to click on this button, add. Okay, just click on it, and you can see that you are redirected to this page. Okay, all you have written is here. Okay, and just change your profile pic and just click update profile. Okay, so that your profile gets updated. Okay, and just click on this login button, guys. Okay, so that your account is there. Okay, and just check your account. Okay, just click on this check your account. Okay, so guys, this is your account. Okay, just make sure that you have uploaded your picture, and guys, see this thing. Okay, this is a note that thank you for your interest in Hyacinth, and your application is reviewed due to the large number of application and interest. So guys, it will take 7 to 15 days, okay, to verify your account. So don't worry, as per your account is verified, okay, you will get a job. Okay, so I'll show you whatever you are waiting for now. I have guys, I have done some work in this website also. Okay, so what type of work you do you expected to do? Okay, I just show you this. Okay, guys, I have already do my work in different website. Okay, so I just open it, and you can see that this type of work I need to do. So I just need to enter the data, and the delivery time is 2 days. Okay, I already did my work. Okay, so create my account. So this is the Excel sheet that they provide, and just you need to fill this Excel sheet. Okay, how many columns I have? I have 40 columns, and I just need to fill these columns. So as per the guidelines, as you see that you have to come in this. I just move forward to this again. Okay, how to earn like a freelancer and how much you are paid. So you can see that you can earn up to 0.2 to $0.4 per cell. So your cell is this one cell. So I just need to enter this 45 and the centimeter, okay, 190, and the age just 56. Okay, just you need to enter, and per cell you are getting 0.2 to $0.4. Okay, if we can calculate, I have 3 columns. I just fill three cells. Okay, this is your individual cell I need to fill. So you can see that if I can calculate, so I have 40 rows into, and how many columns do I have? 3 columns. Okay, so if I just do some calculations, it's 120 cells. Okay, and per cell how much I earned? Approximately 0.3. I should take an average. So $36 guys, $36 by just putting some data in this Excel sheet. It's good, I should recommend, and you have an extension of 2 days. Okay, so that is why I told you that it's worth it guys, it's worth it, and you can also earn online. So just do need to subscribe to this channel guys. I want you guys to be able to earn passive incomes as well. So I just do recommend to subscribe to this channel so that I can make wonderful videos like this. Thank you guys for watching this video.